Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by switching Zacian in early to gain Intrepid Sword's attack boost. This is why you lead with it when possible. Once done, press Protect on the next turn if the raid boss telegraphs a wide attack, and make sure to use Zacian's Play Rough or Behemoth Blade to punish Dynamax targets. You want support next to Absorb status, so swap only if Zacian would take heavy spread damage. Keep momentum and avoid wasting its attack buff on lesser hits. Once Zacian has its attack boost, focus your turns. 1 Protect to soak a raid wide hit, then all-out offense to capitalize on the elevated stats. Make sure to coordinate with teammates so a max move that buffs speed or defense lands before Zacian attacks. That sequencing increases damage and survivability. If the boss uses area of effect or priority moves, reposition Zacian behind a physical wall for a turn, and then return to finish targets. Timing matters to preserve its momentum. To finish the raid, aim your highest damage strike when the boss drops under half HP. That increases the chance of a clean takedown. If Zacian falls, revive with a max revive and re-establish Intrepid Sword before committing. This restores offensive pressure. If the plan fails, troubleshoot by swapping in a priority attacker to finish soft targets, or stall with Protect and Heals until a favorable opening appears. Make sure to communicate and adapt, because timing and quick recovery win raids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.